Okay student, we will start with the new chapter, that is chapter number 8, remainder and factor theorem. Okay, we used to do the division like this, the long division, okay, where x minus 1 is divided by x raised to 4 3x square plus whatever, okay, and we used to find the remainder. Now again we will find the remainder, but not using the long division method. It is remainder theorem. Okay, so how to do the remainder theorem? Let's see. It is very easy. Okay, first take this as function of x or polynomial of x. We'll take function of x. This is a function of x where x raised to 4 minus 3x raised to 2 plus 2x plus 1 is divided by what? X minus 1. So let x minus 1 is equal to 0. So what will be in place of x? We will have 1. So function of 1, in place of x we are substituting 1. We will have 1 raised to 4 minus 3 into 1 raised to 2 plus 2 into 1 plus 1. So function of 1 is equal to 1 raised to 4 is 1, 1 raised to 2 is 1. So 3 ones are 3 plus 2 ones are 2 plus 1. So function of 1 is equal to 1 minus 3, it is minus 2 plus 2 plus 1. Plus 2 minus 2 cancel, function of 1 is the 1. Then what is the remainder? I can say that the remainder is 1. Therefore, the remainder is, okay. Okay, in the second question we have the polynomial or function of x as plus 3x square minus 12x plus 4, and it is divided by x minus 2. So let x minus 2 is equal to 0. So in place of x we will have 2. So it will be function of 2. 2 cube plus 3 into 2 square minus 12 into 2 plus 4. 2 cube is 8. 2 raised to 2 is 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 2s is 24 plus 4. So function of 2 is equal to 8 plus 12, it is 20 minus 24 plus 4 of 2 is equal to 20 minus 4, 24 is minus 4 plus 4. So function of 2 is 0. Okay, so therefore the remainder is 0. Okay. Okay, we have x raised to, third question, x raised to 4 plus 1 is divided by x plus 1. So we have the function of x as x raised to 4 plus 1 divided by x plus 1. So let x plus 1 is equal to 0. So we will have x is equal to minus 1. So function of minus 1 will be minus 1 raised to 4 plus 1. So it is minus raised to even number is 1 plus 1 is equal to minus function of minus 1 is 2. Okay. Okay, now the fourth question we have the polynomial of function of x as 4x cube minus 3x square plus 2x minus 4 is divided by 2x plus 1. So let 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, 2x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 1 upon 2. So we have function of minus 1 upon 2. See, now it is a fraction, so do it carefully. We have 4 into x cube, that is minus 1 upon 2 cube, minus 3 into minus 1 upon 2 square plus 2 into minus 1 upon 2 minus 4. Okay, the 4 into minus 1 cube is minus 1, but 2 cube is 8. Okay, minus as it is, minus n as it is, minus 3 as it is in fact. Minus 1 square is plus 1. So we will have 1 and 2 square is 4. Plus minus minus 2 cancel. We have minus 1 only and minus 4 at the end. Okay, minus 4 at the end. The function of minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 4 ones are 4 twos are, we have minus 1 upon 2. Okay, minus 3 upon 4, minus 1 minus 4, it is minus 5. Okay, so function of minus 1 upon 2 is equal to, okay, I'll multiply by 2 over here. So I'll have minus 2 upon 4 minus 3 upon 4 is equal to minus 5 upon 1. See, here also if I will want to bring 4, I will multiply by 4 here also. So function of minus 1 upon 2 will be, we have the same denominator for all. So we have minus 2, minus 3, minus 5 fours are 20. Okay. So we have function of minus 1 upon 2 is equal to minus 2 minus 23 minus 25 upon 4. So our remainder is minus 25 upon 4. Okay, right, therefore the remainder is minus 25 upon 4. Okay, now the fifth one, again we have the function as 4x cube plus 4x square minus 27x plus 16. It is divided by 2x minus 3. So let 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So 2x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 upon 2. So in place of x we will apply 3 upon 2 or substitute 3 upon 2. So 4 into 3 upon 2 cube plus 4 into 3 upon 2 square minus 27 into 3 upon 2 plus 16. Okay, so function of 3 upon 2 is equal to 4 multiplied by 3 cube is 27, 2 cube is 8, 4 multiplied by 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4, 27, okay, 27 3s are 7 3s are 21, 2, it is 81 upon 2 plus 16. Okay, so function of 3 upon 2, whatever I can reduce it, 4 ones are 4 twos are 4 4 cancel. Okay, okay, so we have 27 upon 2 plus we have 9 upon nothing minus 81 upon 2 plus 16 upon nothing. So see, we can do that 27 plus 16 plus 9 can be added to get 25. Okay, so function of 3 upon 2 is equal to, both of them are having the same denominator, so I'll write 27 minus 81 upon 2 plus 9 plus 16 is 25. So function of 3 upon 2 is equal to, see, 81 minus 27 will give me 54. So it is minus 54 upon 2 plus 25. Function of 3 upon 2. 20, it is 27. When I am divided by 2, it is 27. So plus 25. So I can say that function of 3 upon 2 is minus 2. That is, remainder is minus 2. Okay, therefore the remainder is minus 2. Okay, okay, now the function of x is 2x cube for the sixth one minus x minus 15, and it is divided by 2x plus 3. So let 2x plus 3 is equal to 0, therefore 2x is equal to minus 3 upon 2, where x is equal to, plus 3 will go there and minus 3, therefore x is equal to minus 3 upon 2. Okay, so the function of minus 3 upon 2 is equal to 2 into minus 3 upon 2 cube plus 9 into minus 3 upon 2 square minus 3 upon 2. See, minus sign as it is, x is equal to minus 3 upon 2 equal to 15. Okay, so the function of minus 3 upon 2 is equal to 2 multiplied by minus 3 cube is minus 27 and 2 cube is 8 plus, see minus square becomes plus, so we have 9 multiplied by 3 square is 9 and 2 square is 4, minus minus become plus, we have 3 upon 2 minus 15. Okay, now if anything can be reduced, 2 ones are 2 fours are, that is the only thing possible I can see. So function of minus 3 upon 2, I have minus 27 upon 4. I will try to bring 4 in all the denominators, so that 9 nines is 81 upon 4. To bring 4 over here, I will multiply by 2 in the numerator as well as denominator, so 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. To multiply by 4, so I will get 4 upon 15 fours is 60. The function of minus 3 upon 2 is equal to, all the denominators are same, so it is 4. We have minus 27 plus 81 plus 6 minus 60. Okay, I will try to add all the numbers which are positive and all the numbers which are negative. So I will have 81 plus 6, it is 87, and minus 27 minus 60 is minus 87 upon 4. So function of minus 3 upon 2 is equal to 87 minus 87, 0 upon 4. That is function of minus 3 upon 2 is 0. Therefore I can say that, therefore the remainder is 0. Okay. Okay. In the second part of the first exercise, we need to show that x minus 2 is the factor of the polynomial 5x square plus 15x minus 50. See, you need to do it in the same way as you need to find a remainder. But see to it that if the remainder is 0, then only it is a factor. Okay, I'll show you how to do it. So we have the function of x as 5x square plus 15x minus 50. Okay, so x minus, we need to show that x minus 2 is a factor. So we will divide it by x minus 2, as we need to show that x minus 2 is the factor. Therefore let x minus 2, see, remember, memorize this statement for each and everything. Okay, each and every sum. X minus 2 is equal to 0, therefore x is equal to 2. So in place of x we will substitute 2. So function of 2, 5 into 2 square, 15 into 2 minus 50. 5 into 2 square is 4, 15 2 is 30, 5 4s are 20 plus 30 minus 50. So 20 plus 30 is 50 minus 50, and yes, 50 minus 50 is 0. As it is a 0, therefore I will say that x minus 2 is the factor of 5x square, 15x minus 50. Okay. Okay. Now we'll start with the second one of the second part. We have this function is equal to 3x square minus x minus 2, and we need to show that 3x plus 2 is a factor. So we'll take let 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. So 3x is equal to minus 2, x is equal to minus 2 upon 3. X is equal to minus 2 upon 3. Okay. So therefore, function of x is equal to 3x square minus x minus 2. We will substitute minus 2 upon 3. Okay. Now 3 into, in place of x we will substitute minus 2 upon 3 the whole square minus x, that is minus 2 upon 3, and we have minus 2. Okay, so minus square is positive always, so 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, so we will have 3 multiplied by 4 upon 9, minus minus plus 2 upon 3 minus 2. So 3 ones are 3 threes are, So function of minus 2 upon 3 is equal to, both of them are having same denominator, that is 3. I'll write it 3, and 4 plus 2 is 6, minus 2 as it is. 3 ones are 3 twos are, so function of minus 2 upon 3 is equal to 2 minus 2. 2 upon 3 is equal to 0. As it is a 0, I can say that therefore 3x plus 2 is the factor of 3x square minus x minus 2. Okay. Okay, now we have this polynomial. Therefore, polynomial of x is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. We need to show that x plus 1 is a factor, so we'll take let x plus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 1. So in place of x, I will substitute minus 1. So minus 1 cube plus 3 into minus 1 square plus 3 into minus 1 plus 1 is equal to minus 1 cube is minus 1 plus 3 into minus 1 square is 1. 3 ones are 3 plus 1. So it is minus 1 plus 3 ones are 3 minus 3 plus 1. Minus 3 plus 3 cancel, plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Very easy. So it is 0. Therefore I can say that x plus 1 is the factor of x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay. Okay. The next question is, use the remainder theorem to find which of the following is the factor. So in this question we have only one polynomial, and this polynomial is divided by 5 different this x plus 1, 2x minus 1, x plus 2, 3x minus 2 and 2x minus 3. 5 different divisors. Okay. So see, we have done this type of question in the previous part also. I'll do only one for you. Rest 4 is for homework. Okay. So first, second, third, fourth, you do it on your own. I'll do the fifth one. So let 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So 2x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 upon 2. So in place of x, what is the polynomial of x, by the way? It is 2x cube plus 3x square minus 5x minus 6. So in place of x, it is 3 upon 2. Okay, therefore we will substitute the value of x, that is 2 into 3 upon 2 cube plus 3 into 3 upon 2 square, 5 into 3 upon 2 minus 6. So it is 2 into, so 3 cube is 27, 2 cube is 8. 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4. 5 3s are 15 upon 2 minus 6. Okay. 2 1s are 2 4s are. So function of x is equal to 27 upon 4 plus 9 3s are 27 upon 4. Okay, is it correct or something is wrong? 2 4s are, yes, it is correct. So 15, I'll just cross multiply it. So it is 6 to the 12. I'll do one thing. It is 2 minus 6 upon 1. Okay. So I will make all the denominators equal. That is, I will multiply by 2. So I will get 4 over here. I will multiply by 4. I will get 4 in the denominator. So the function of x is equal to 4 4. I can write it at one time. I will do one thing. All the denominators are going to be 4. So 27 plus 27, that is 54. 15 to the is 30. 6 4 is 24. Okay. So 50 minus 30 is 24. 24 minus 24 is 0. So the function of x is equal to 0 upon 4 is 0. As the answer is 0, we can say that 2x minus 3 is the factor. Write the final statement. Therefore, 2x minus 3 is the factor. If answer is not 0, you can say that the value or whichever the divisor is, suppose x plus 2. So x plus 2 is not the factor. You will write a statement like that. Okay. In the fourth question we have two parts. The first part is, if 2x plus 1 is the factor, means we already know that it is a factor of 2x square plus ax minus 3. So see, as 2x plus 1 is the factor, as 2x plus 1 is the factor, so in place of x we can write, therefore 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Or you shall see like this, we have the function of x as 2x cube 2x square plus ax minus 3. Okay, so in place of x I was going to substitute 2x plus 1, so x will be minus 1 upon 2. It is like this, 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, therefore 2x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 1 upon 2. So in place of x it is minus 1 upon 2. Okay, so 2 into minus 1 upon 2 square plus a into minus 1 upon 2 minus 3. Okay, so when I am finding the function of minus 1 upon 2, now I know that function of minus 1 upon 2 is 0. Why it is 0? Because it is a factor. Okay, as it is a factor, it is equal to 0. So 2 multiplied by minus square is plus, so it is 1 upon 2 square is 4. Minus plus minus, we have a upon 2 and we have minus 3. Okay, so 2 1s are 2 2s are, minus 3 will go there and become plus 3, as it is 0 only 0 over here. So we have both the denominators 2, so we will have 1 minus a upon 2. 2 will go there and become 3 2s are 6, 1 minus a will come here and become plus a is equal to 1, plus 6 will come here and become minus 6. So a is equal to minus 5. You are asked to find the value of a, therefore a is equal to minus 5. Got it? As it is a factor, we are writing 0 over here. Okay, because after substituting, factor means what? After substituting the value of x, it has to be equal to 0. Okay. Okay, for the second part of the fourth question, if 3x minus 4 is a factor, see, so what will come in place of x? We'll write, so x is equal to 4 upon 3. Okay, so the polynomial or function of x is 3x square plus 2x minus k. So in place of x I am going to write 4 upon 3. In place of x it is 4 upon 3 square plus, find the value of it is k, 2 into 4 upon 3 minus k. So as it is a factor, here it will be 0. So 3 multiplied by 4 square is 16, 3 square is 9, plus 2 4s are 8, 3 as it is, minus k, 3 1s are 3 3s are, so 0 is equal to 16 plus 8, 24 upon 3 minus k, 3 1s are 3 8s are, minus k will go there and become plus k, so value of k is 8. So I can say that value of k is 8 over here. Okay. Okay, in the fifth question you can see that find the value of the constant a and b, that is we need to find a and b when x minus 2 is the factor of this polynomial or this polynomial or function, x plus 3 is also the factor of this function. Okay, so we will substitute first x is equal to x minus 2. Okay, as x minus 2 is the factor. Okay, therefore function of x is equal to x cube minus ax square plus bx minus 12. In place of x it is minus 2 will go there and become plus 2. So function of 2, I have 2 cube minus a into 2 square plus b into 2 minus 12. As it is a factor, it will be 0. So 2 cube is 8, minus 2 square is 4a plus 2b minus 12. Okay, so minus 4a will come here and become plus 4a, plus 2 will come here and become minus 2b, and we have 8 minus 12, that is minus 4. Each and every term is divisible by 2, so we will have 2a minus b is equal to minus 2 dividing by 2. Okay, so this is the first equation. Now we have x plus 3 as the factor. Okay, I'll just so that I can identify it quickly. So as x plus 3 is the factor, therefore function of x is equal to x cube minus ax square plus bx minus 12. As x plus 3 is the factor, we will substitute x is equal to minus 3. So it is minus 3 cube a into minus 3 square plus b into minus 3 minus 12. So as it is a factor, we will substitute 0 in place of function of minus 3. It is 0. Minus 3 square is minus 27. Minus 3 square is 9. So minus square is 9. So it is 9a. Minus 3b minus 12. Okay. 3 square is 27. 3 square is 9. Sorry, 3 cube is 27. 3 square is 9. So it is, as it is positive 9. So it is 9a minus 3b minus 12. Okay. So 9a will come here and become plus 9a. 3b will come here and become plus 3b. And minus 27 and minus 12 will be added to get 39. Okay. 7 plus 2, 9. 2 plus 1, 3. Okay. So dividing by 3. So I have 3a plus b is equal to 13. Equation number 2. I don't have space. So dividing by 3. Okay. Now equation number 1 and equation number 2. See, we have 1 over here and we have 1 over here. Minus sign, plus sign. Okay. So adding 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2. So we have 2a minus b is equal to minus 2. This is equation number 1. 3a plus b is equal to minus 3. Is it equation to minus 13? That is equation number 2. So minus plus cancel. We have 5a is equal to minus 15. So a is equal to 5 3s are 15. Okay. Put a is equal to minus 3 in 1. What is 1? 2a minus b is equal to minus 2. This is 1. 1 means equation number 1. Okay. A is equal to minus 3. 2 into minus 3 minus b is equal to minus 2. So it is minus 6 minus b is equal to minus 2. Minus b will go there and minus 2 will come here. So we have b is equal to minus 4. Okay. Hence we have the value of a is equal to minus 3 and b is equal to minus 4. Right. The final statement, therefore the value of a is something b is. Okay. Okay. In the sixth question we have 2x plus 1 is the factor. Okay, as 2x plus 1 is the factor, so what will you substitute in place of x? So it is 0, sorry. So plus 1 will go there and minus 1. X is equal to minus 1 upon 2. Okay, x is equal to minus 1 upon 2. Now we have this function, that is function of x is equal to 3k plus 2 x cube plus k minus 1. So in place of x it is minus 1 upon 2. So we have 3k plus 2 and in place of x it is minus 1 upon 2 cube k minus 1. Okay. So this is 0 because it is a factor. I'll write this 3k plus 2 as it is. See, minus 1 cube is minus 1. Okay. But 2 cube is 8. Okay. Plus k minus 1. So you can say that k minus 1 will go there and become minus bracket k minus 1. Okay. This plus bracket k minus 1 will become minus bracket k minus 1. is equal to, when I will open the bracket, all the signs will change. So it is minus 3k minus 2 upon 8. Okay. So 8 will go there and multiply. So before multiplying 8, I'll open the bracket for minus sign. So it is minus k plus 1. Okay. Multiply by 8 is equal to minus 3k minus 2. When I will open the bracket, I have minus 8k plus 8 is equal to minus 3k minus 2. Okay. So 8 plus 2. This minus 2 will come here and become plus 2. And we have minus 3k minus 8 will go there and become plus 8. So we have 10. 8 minus 3, it is 5k. So k is equal to 10 divided by 5. So value of k is equal to 2. You are only asked to find the value of k.